Are you looking for the best ski goggles for every budget? Ski goggles are a small but critical piece of snow sports gear. The right pair can improve contrast, reduce glare, and keep your vision clear in rapidly changing light, wind, and weather. In this comparison, we analyze 5 OTG, over-the-glasses, goggles across a budget to premium spectrum to help riders who wear prescription eyewear or
Product number 1. Outdoor Master OTG Ski Goggles, Over-Glasses Overview. This OTG design from Outdoor Master is positioned as a versatile, helmet-friendly option with 100% UV 400 protection and a soft TPU frame. The included features anti-fog dual-layer lens, extra long strap, and universal helmet compatibility target riders who need reliable, all-condition performance without fuss. The price point at $29.99 and historically listed at $21.99 in some variants marks it as a premium budget choice within this lineup, emphasizing build quality and durability while keeping the OTG convenience front and center. Performance-wise, the dual-layer anti-fog coating and 100% UV protection are solid for everyday spring and overcast days. The soft TPU frame is forgiving on the face, and the long strap improves compatibility with a wide range of helmets. However, real-world fog resistance depends on riding intensity and moisture control. Users with very humid or aggressive activity may still experience fog if venting is.
Product number 2. Findway Ski Goggles OTG, Over-Glasses Overview. The Findway OTG goggles are positioned as an ultra-budget option focused on basic OTG fit and UV protection. They emphasize essential features without over-engineering, making them an accessible entry point for casual skiers or families stocking up for multiple users. At $21.99, they aim to maximize value while delivering the core benefits of an OTG design and 100% UV protection. Performance-wise, these goggles provide the expected safety and visibility for everyday use. The critical test remains anti-fog effectiveness and comfort during longer sessions. Budget models in this tier sometimes compromise on venting or foam density, leading to minor fogging or slower moisture management. The strap quality and helmet compatibility should be assessed against your helmet brand and fit preferences, as longer straps can sometimes loosen under heavy movement. Overall, Product number 3. Outdoor Master OTG Ski Goggles, Over-Glasses. Overview. This entry reiterates Outdoor Master's OTG solution with a price point of $22.79, reinforcing its appeal as a cost-conscious, performance-oriented option. It mirrors the features of the premium Outdoor Master model, but targets even more budget-conscious buyers, maintaining the familiar OTG fit, UV protection, and anti-fog lens tech, while keeping the build approachable. Deeper usage reveals effective everyday performance for a wide range of riders. The larger field of view and consistent helmet compatibility remain strong points, with dual-layer anti-fog contributing to reduced fogging during moderate exertion. As with any budget-friendly OTG, users should monitor wear of the foam and strap over time. Cleaning the interior lens surfaces and following storage guidelines will help sustain clarity. Product number 4. EXP Vision Ski/Snowboard Goggles for Men/Women. Overview. EXP Vision brings a feature-rich OTG option at $26.99, highlighting detachable sponge cleaning, Revo lens coating, and a two-way venting system. The 2023 design emphasizes ease of maintenance and enhanced visibility through Revo coloration and anti-fog, anti-glare protection. The detachable sponge is pitched as a cleaning and odor control improvement that can extend goggle life in seasonal use. In practice, the Revo coating and two-way venting are meaningful upgrades for riders who push through varying light and temperature. The detachable sponge helps with hygiene and quick refreshes between runs, while the full-coverage TPU frame delivers robust impact resistance. On the downside, the added complexity may require more careful maintenance, and some users may not notice a dramatic improvement in fog resistance if their sweating is heavy or if humidity spikes. Overall, it's a well-rounded. Product number 5. Lamicall Ski Goggles with 3X Anti-Fog, 100% UV. Overview. Lamicall's offering at $26.99 emphasizes a spherical lens with 3X anti-fog performance, 100% UV protection, and a notably robust warranty, 2 years. The OTG fit and helmet compatibility are clearly prioritized.
and the 17mm reinforced PC spherical lens suggests a focus on wide field of view and durability. The built-in ventilation and high-quality foam aim to deliver comfort for longer sessions, even in demanding conditions. Performance-wise, the spherical lens helps with peripheral clarity and reduces distortion, while the 3x anti-fog claim targets fog-prone days. The 2-year warranty signals confidence in build quality and customer support. However, real-world anti-fog effectiveness remains contingent on ventilation and environmental moisture. The larger casing may suit users with broad faces or those who wear glasses, but could feel less snug for narrow head shapes. Overall, Lamicol presents a balanced,